Hello everyone and welcome to another Train Sim World 6 video. In today's video we are doing 1 Lima 98 Bristol Temple Meeds to Stansted Airport, and we're going between Bromsgrove and Birmingham New Street in the cross-country 170 because I really enjoyed the run we done last time out. Let's go. So first things first, I feel like you should put the fuse on before just popping the switch on, but I like how they're all three in a row, because some trains, like the Pendolino, they're nowhere near each other. DSD, Vigilance and AWS, so to have them all in a line like that is very nice. Notice board light, get that off. Train lighting on. Day running. And then we'll put (21 degrees on vents). It's getting a bit cold. Oh, hello. A Hereford service. Oh, and there's a 323. It's all happening here. We've got a yellow signal. We're supposed to leave at 46. So I'm going to go at 45. Let's see how far it is, and then oh, that might be the fans that have just started to turn on. Hang on a minute. Oh. Is that 3? Yeah. Wait for the engines to rev up and then release. 4 and 5. I've actually got Twitch chat open today so I can see if any of you are doing anything in the chat. Where are we stopping at today? University in Birmingham. We're going via a location. Apparently we can go 90 or we can go 100. We're going via there. Okay. Oh look, we've got the RHTT. Got a green signal there, so something might be on the move. There might be something coming. Yeah, that looks like it's something coming down. Or something coming up. One thing I don't like is if you look at the door controls on the right side, and you can see that I haven't turned the GSMR on, which means I didn't do it last cross-country video either. Because it still doesn't make a beep beep. If I look straight, door controls on the right side aren't as high as the door controls on the left side. And here is a cross-country 170. Hello. One thing I really do not like about TSW6 is how the same variant, or the same train in different variants, is split into about 8 different pages. Yeah, there's about 5 different variants. No. Because I've just used photo mode, so it's not gonna... Okay. 17639. Wonder if this one's got the new livery in real life. Let me check. 17639. Ooh, what's that? Used to be in Centro livery. Centro? No, sorry. Central. Oh, central trains. Wait. Oh, 17639 is the one that features in the cover art for the DLC. There's 17639 going past an intermodal train and Google. I'm just looking at Google, to be honest. I just wanted to see if it was one that had the new livery. Ooh. No, that's not 639. Nah, unfortunately not. Not yet, anyway. Yeah, what do you guys think of Train Sim Mod 6 so far? Are you excited to get the Voyager along here? Because the Voyager will be coming to this route, so are you guys excited for it? I'm probably not gonna, well, I'm not going to get the Voyager probably till it goes on sale in like January. I don't know anything about Voyagers. I've never been on one, I've never seen one, I've been near Meridians, but they're not Voyagers. Do you know what I mean? So yeah. Hold door release for a minimum of 2 seconds. There we go. Right, up to 90. Yeah, this service takes 31 minutes, whereas normally the others only take about 20, so I'm wondering if we're going to get stopped behind something, or if we're making an extra stop. But we're not making an extra stop, so we're probably going to get stuck behind something in a bit. It's always when you go for your phone, or you go for a drink, that DSD decides that it's gonna kick off. RIP headphone users, much like myself. Let me get Twitch chat open because I closed it like an idiot while I was googling. There we go. Should be back. Turn the audio off straight away. Let's pause the stream so I don't get distracted. Going through Barnt Green at 70 miles an hour. But yeah, this route has been completely revitalised for me since the update. I would only ever play this route once every 2, 3, 4 months. Now, I'm on it every single day. Or every single week, sorry. Almost every single day is a bit excessive. And yeah, I bought this 170 pack at full price, and I never normally buy things at full price, so it gets the seal of approval from me. Does need some updates, but this is my first Rivet Games product, I think. Is it? No, I suppose the Engineering Express pack, if that was a Rivet product. Yeah, I don't have any Rivet routes, I don't think. It's got that really yucky sound. Once you go over 85. I don't know how fast you can get the ScotRail 170 up to, but I imagine it's not this fast. Pardon me, because of Scottish hills and all that. Yeah, we've got to come down to 45 anyway. Right, okay. Oh, it's really bouncing. Signal blocks are quite long on here, so we should be okay for a bit. There's a 323. Oh, so yeah, a double yellow at 60, so let's go 55 and release to step 1 brake. Still want to be slowing down, but nowhere near as much. Yeah, off to Stansted we go. 639. Is it sticking me behind that? Surely not, right? Right, he is moving. Yeah, my signal is still red, so he is going in front of us. Down behind the other one. Oh, my signal's just gone yellow, so let's go up to 5. Some RHTTs in the yard. Coming up to this way too quickly. A very momentary lapse of concentration. Oh, I don't think I can get let through now, but they could so have got me round. I think these lines join there, didn't they? I'm gonna stop about a carriage length from the signal, so that's an okay place to stop. Full service brake, neutral, door, DRA. Lots of ying in. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 66s. And when's the next one due out? 8:47 in the morning, 13:54, 14:24. And that one's just static. So 8:47. Oh, so he's not due out in that long then. We are sorry for the delay, but we are currently being held at a red signal due to a commuter train being put in front of us. Please shout at the signaller, not me. I'm just doing my job. I was just changing position on the chair, and I see that we've been moved forward. We can only go 20 miles an hour, so you know, it's not like we can go far with it, but it's pointless sitting there. Bit of brake. Bit longer of brake. There is a 323 there. I can't see the signal. I was going to stop before the platform, just so nobody tried to get on if the signal is at the end of the platform. It doesn't appear to be, but it is red. So I'll take that on board. So unless that changes, that banner repeater. Yes, which it has just done. I'm not sure how long of a signal section this one is, so might have to instantly come back down to 20. 8 bells. Right, let's put a bit of welly down just because the signal's not here. I don't actually know where the signal is, to be honest. I was just looking to see if there's any freight trains. Here's Bourneville. Bit of step one braking. Should really be at 20 for this magnet, not 25. this station, and we got university, which is where our 323 friend is just pulling in. Hello Maverick, how are you doing? Have you been enjoying Train Sim World 6? I'm pretty sure you said you were getting the free starter pack. Hello Mr. 323. Sick and oh, that's not good. I feel like every time I go on your Discord, you've come down with something. Oh, bless. Well, I hope you get better soon. I got the free starter pack and... oh, I would love to be able to pronounce those. Here it goes, here it goes. Oh, hang on. Oh no, I can't do this. Zwolle to Groningen. That's probably like a 4 out of 10 Dutch. That's probably the most English way somebody's ever tried to pronounce a Dutch town or city name ever. Right, where is the signal at? Right, it's there. Do I have it in brake step 3 then? Heck. It's a soft G, but otherwise pretty close. Okay, we'll take it. Also, if you are watching this on YouTube, if I manage to get 300 subscribers by the end of the year, I will try and I will do a full shift on a route at some point. A full 9.5 hours on a route, depending on what routes I have at the time. If we make it to 300 subscribers by the end of the year. That's my goal. Well, that's my aim. 300 subscribers to the end of the year to do a full shift stream. I think Birmingham Cross City would be a good one for a full shift, to be fair. Oh, signal's gone yellow. DRA, back into forward. Notch 3, hold hill. Well, we're going downhill, so we don't need that. And we are coming into university. Yes, pulling round the corner into university. I'd love to get the BCC 170 pack, but it's not on sale yet. Yeah, it is a really good pack. Speaking of 170s, there's the West Midlands one. I got it at full price. I thought it was worth it. I didn't have the 5 circle though, so for me it was a whole new train. There's a West Midlands Railway /6. Right, okay, that's the 3 marker we needed there. I've gone a little bit over that. Screw it, we're a 4-car train, because I said so. Into neutral. I don't think we need to put the DRA on, because I can't see a signal. We are on time, though. Stansted Airport. That's where this one's off to. It's the longest service of the day. Most of them do Cardiff to Nottingham. But this is a once a day, I believe, service. I can't wait for the Voyager to come onto this 170 timetable, because it should do. I don't know if, I think it's Rivet's timetable, so it's Rivet's job to update it, even though it's Dovetail's product. I think that's how that works. I'm not sure though. But yeah. But hopefully then Rivet can update these 170s with the announcements and the... well, I don't know, because I think it would be Rivet... I don't... who's... Because it's not Rivet's route, so if it was the station announcements, it would probably be Dovetail's job. But if it was, like, the train announcements, it'd be Rivet's job, because it's Rivet's 170. I don't know. But then maybe Rivet would just do the whole... Who knows? Who knows? Not me, anyway. Right, up to 10 miles an hour. I think I'm going to stop accelerating when we get to 20, because I know we're chasing reds. Normally I'd leave 30 seconds before departure, or I'd shut the doors 30 seconds before departure to get rolling as we're meant to be leaving. But there's no point when we're on reds. Alright, 323, it is a really busy route. It's probably busier than some of the London Underground stuff, London Overground stuff, to be honest. I can't see a signal down there, so I'm just going to hold it at 20 for now. Oh, I can see one. That's yellow. Is it? Yes, it's green now. Right, wicked. Off we go. What's line speed? 60, I think. No, 50. 50 is line speed. We have 3 viewers. Thank you very much, everybody who is in. Make sure you go follow Maverick on Twitch and subscribe to him on YouTube. He might have even done it by now, but I believe he is very close to 500 subscribers. So go make sure you check him out, because there is a massive variety of content over on his channel. Not just Train Sim World. I know he plays other games, but I don't know anything about those other games, so I can tell you. Just go check it out for yourself. There's lots of cool stuff on there. 40 miles an hour. Is that what the AWS ramp was for? Yeah. 40. You're on 496 at the moment. We gotta get you there. You will get there. I wonder when Melbourne Train Guy, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to him and followed him on Twitch, make sure you do that as well. He's another really nice, awesome content creator. I wonder when he will get to 200 subscribers. I think he's on 130 at the moment. Yeah, he has some really awesome content as well. I feel like the TSW community is really growing. We have some really awesome, amazing content creators now, and it's really a nice space to be in. But yeah, I think that's why it frustrates me so much when the game isn't in the best place it could be in. Because when the game is not in the best place it could be in, it makes it frustrating to make content on it. I don't know why I've slowed down so much. 40. Okay, this is the tunnel to Birmingham, so we'll actually just coast. I know you shouldn't be as backwards and forwards on throttle. But yeah, I just... Yeah, because like, the thing that upsets me with the game is like, in my opinion, might be a controversial one, there should only be one edition of Train Sim World, and that should include, and this is probably why I'm not working with a multi-millionaire business, but there should just be the one edition, and that includes all your routes and all your locos. You know, I don't see why... Hang on, I'm speeding quite a bit there. I don't see why the Voyager, the 294, and the American loco. I can't remember what it was. I think it was a buy mode loco was sold separately. I don't see why they couldn't have been included in the route personally. But yeah, that's just me. Yeah, I think there should just be one edition. Scrap the whole deluxe, special, standard. Just standard. Because I was a little bit annoyed that they'd done away with the regional editions, because I thought the regional editions were a cool idea, personally. Yeah, or even that. That's actually a way better idea than mine. Just a TSW that gets... I don't mind it being called a new game, if that's how they have to market it. If just update Train Sim Mod 6 and call it Train Sim Mod 7. And then bring, like, content packs out. Or core updates, yeah. So if you, like, have to make bulk content for a game like the Rush Hour series, just do that. But yeah, Maverick said he plays Train Simulator wow. English? Train Simulator Classic. Oh my god. That's too many M's. HimSim Metro, Diesel Railcar Simulator, and he just bought SimRail. I did see that. I believe, was that in a community post? Is that a position like for me? I don't want to run a signal. No, I think that's for the next line. Yeah, community post. I did think I saw something about that. Well, there's a lot of noises. There's a lot of stuff in Birmingham. Right. Bring it to a stop. DRA. What can I hear moving? Is that a Pendo? Yes, it is. Off goes a Pendo. It's so awesome to see these busy stations not feel empty. But if you did enjoy that, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time for some more Train Sim World. Goodbye.